Wow, that was brilliant. The way you distracted Batman with a math problem so we could sneak out of there together.
I know. That's pretty good, right, SpongeBob? I'm proud of myself for that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sad we had to leave behind the light, though.
Ah, don't worry about it. I got another one.
You have another light?
Yeah, I told you I got huge pockets. Here, just... Oh! Ah. All right. You two are coming with me.
Is this another Batman? He's kind of dark and spooky like Batman, but he's also got some colors to him.
Well, I'm just like Batman. I am bringing you two in.
Hey, what's this R for on your shirt?
Hey, look, get away from me, you talking cheese. R's for my name. It's Robin. Robin. What's so funny? As in the small, frail, Midwestern songbird, Robin. That kind of Robin. Look, I'm tough, and I'm going to prove it to you. I'm bringing you two in. Oh, sure you are. Robin.
I don't get it. What's so funny?
Oh, you live in the ocean. You wouldn't know about it. You know Sandy, right?
Sandy Cheeks, of course. She's a wonderful friend.
You don't happen to have her phone number, do you?
Well, I probably do. Let me see. Yeah, I've got it right here.
Do me a favor, SpongeBob. Go ahead and call her and put her on speakerphone, because a robin, this little bird, it's like not tough at all. I'm super tough. All right, you're super tough. Okay. Tell me one thing, though. Is Texas the coolest place in the world?
What?
No. I mean, obviously it couldn't be, because Gotham is the coolest place in the world, but, I mean, if you look at the temperature database, it's like, I mean, it's not even cool at all. Get it? Texas? It's not cool at all because you're looking at temperatures, and Texas is hot. Y'all get it? Oh, we get it. And son, you're about to get it.
What critter in tarnation done disrespected the name of my Texas?
What, Mr. Freeze? No, you're not Mr. Freeze. You're some kind of
giant talking squirrel? That's right, and I'm a giant talking squirrel from Texas.
Oh, Sandy, don't hurt him too much. Sandy, come on. Oh, no, Sandy.
And that's what'll happen to any darn vermin that disrespects the name of Texas.
Sandy, did you rip off that poor boy's leg?
Well, maybe, but did you hear what he said about Texas?
I did, Sandy. Give that poor boy his leg back.
No, I'm so steamed under the collar, I could just...
You could probably use some Texas math, couldn't you?
Huh? You have Texas math? I'd love to do me some Texas math.
Well, sure, yeah, I brought some with me. Here. Let's see if this will calm me down a little bit. Here, scoot aside, SpongeBob. Let's take a look at this.
Well, boy, howdy. This looks like fun. It must be from Texas. All right, the spinner shown has 8 congruent sections. Woo-wee! Them's a fancy $2 word, congruent. The spinner is spun 120 times. Oh, I'd be more exhausted than a dog at a sheep rally if I'd done that. What is a reasonable prediction for the number of times the spinner will land on an even number? Well, you see, we gotta count how many even numbers are here. And, what are even numbers again?
Anything that can be split evenly in groups of 2. The number that could be how many hot dog buns you have at a barbecue.
Oh, that's easy. Well, you could have 2, or you could have 16, or you could have 8. Unless you got some sort of an open hot dog with a chili sauce.
No, just don't even pretend I said hot dogs. Just hamburger buns.
Oh, yeah. Well, then 8 will work, and a 16 will work, and a 2 will work. So there's 3 of those out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 total, and only 3, so 3 out of 8, and... Oh, these are some big numbers.
You need me to go get a pen?
Well, yeah, that'd be great. Wait, you have a pen, too?
SpongeBob, I'm telling you. Big pockets. Hold on. All right. What do you want me to write down here, Sandy?
Oh, boy. Well, start by taking this here big number, the 120, and splitting it into 8 different groups. All right, you want 120. And we're going to split it into 8 groups. So we're looking at 8 going into 120. Can't go into 1 by itself. It could go into 12 one time. And I'll get an 8 there, subtract that. So 120 has 15 groups of 8. Well, boy, howdy. So this 15, that tells you how many times it's going to land on each of these sections in a fair spin. Now, if you ever done the Texas two-step, you know life ain't always fair. But for the sake of math, we're going to say every one of these sections gets exactly 15. And then we have 1, 2, 3 even sections. So we got 3 groups of 15. All right, 3 groups of 15 is 15 times 3. 3 times 1. We're looking at 45. And you see, 45 right here. Good old B for Brazos. Alrighty. B for... You sure it's not for bratwurst? Well, I guess if you're from a German-speaking part of Texas... Nah. I don't get it.
I don't either, SpongeBob. Just roll with it.
Alright, we got another problem here, Sandy. What do you want to do about this one? Well, let's see. A bag contains 5 red marbles, 6 blue marbles, 3 green marbles, 4 black marbles, and 2 yellow marbles. And you better be sure you don't lose that bag, otherwise you done lost your marbles. Nah, I don't get that one either.
Oh, I get that one. But I think maybe the problem is you lost yours.
Oh. Well, could I find him again?
Probably not, SpongeBob. It's sort of a permanent deal.
Anyway, it says here a marble will be drawn from the bag and replaced 100 times. Huh, that's more chili than you could cook off. What is... Scooch, SpongeBob, you're in my shadow. What is a reasonable prediction for the number of times a green or black marble will be drawn? Well, first of all, we got to see how many total marbles there are. Okay? No, hey, you big guy with a pen.
Oh, you want me to find out how many total marbles there are, right? So just add them up?
Well, sure, just add them all up.
All right, well, 6 and 4 is 10, so I'm going to start with those. That's an easy 10. And then 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 is also 10. So we're looking at, there's 20 marbles altogether inside that bag. One bag, 20 marbles. None missing.
Nah. Oh, was that not a joke?
Not really, SpongeBob.
All right. So 20 marbles. That means that every marble could be drawn 5 times because we got to get all the way to 100.
Oh, so you just did a little mental math here. 20 times 5 equals 100.
Well, sure. It's easy.
Well, yeah, if you're a squirrel, it's easy.
Anyway, we could draw a marble 5 different times, and so it wants all the green and black marbles. Green like the grass in Texas, and black like the oil in Texas, I suppose.
Or the cows.
Are there black cows?
Some places have black cows, I don't know.
Well, sure. So, green and black together, that's going to be 7.
Okay, green and black together is 7. All right, so 7 times.
No, silly. Remember, we're going to be drawing every marble 5 times.
Oh, so this goes with that. And 7 times 5 is 65. Woohoo!
Oh, you critters. Sometimes I don't understand you one bit. 65 might be the best number, but it's not the right number here. 7 times 5 is 35. Here, J.
J, which stands for Brazos.
J, which stands for Jumpin' Juniper. This cave is dark. We should get out of here.
We should, Sandy. But before we get out of here, could you put that poor boy's leg back on?
Well, if he apologizes, I suppose I might. Let me go find him.
All right, SpongeBob, grab that light.
Okay. Well, this phone's stuck to my hand. All right. Got the light.
All right, let's see if we can get out of this cave and maybe find a different safe spot to hide that's not full of bat people. Oh, get that out of my eye, SpongeBob.